Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about hydrangea plant. One of my neighbors has left it with me and I have found the condition of this plant is not at all good. You can see friends, leaves have become pale and brownish. That means it's suffering from fungus attack. First we need to cut down affected leaves. I have removed leaves as much as possible. Almost all leaves are affected. But it's not possible to cut down all leaves. Next, we need to lose the soil. Friends, here I can see texture of soil is not at all good. No fertilizer is ever added, I guess. Moreover, fungus is also visible every time. It's not possible repotting a plant. So this time, I'm trying to treat this one in this planter only. Now I'm going to prepare fertilizer. Here I have taken 60 gram vermicompost and 30 gram cocopeat. As this plant is already in stress, we should not add much fertilizer. Vermicompost is enriched with nitrogen. It will help to grow new foliage and cocopeat will help to prevent fungus attack. Now add the fertilizer in soil. Every week we need to add fertilizer for its betterment. Use your hand for spreading evenly. Next, we need to sprinkle some water. Don't pour it forcibly. Lastly, I am going to spray fungicide. Here I have taken SAF fungicide. Take 1 spoon of it and mix it with 1 liter of water. Friends, SAF is very effective one, but you can use any fungicide as per your convenience. Now spray on all over the plant. We should spray some portion on soil also. Now I am going to keep this plant in semi-shade area. Friends, these plants like to receive morning sun, but it cannot do well if you keep it in direct sunlight. Place this plant such a way so that it can receive slanting sunlight throughout the day. I hope this plant will recover very soon. If you like my channel, then please subscribe, hit the like button and share with your friends. Goodbye.